Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by West Kings House Road and we are going to show you where they are going to be building the new 7-story tower called W18. It's a new 7-story mixed-use development coming to West Kings House Road. So this is the actual property where they're going to build it. Massive piece of land. And it's located, as we said, on West Kings House Road. Ideal location, very close to Halfway Tree and other areas. So it's like every week you hear about a new high rise going up in Jamaica. Just last week they announced a 10-story building going up on South Avenue. And this week it's another mega development. This one is just called W18. Very, very nice building. So we are going to give you more information on this. And this building, you can actually, if you're interested, buy the entire development, or you can buy one shop, or you can even buy a floor. So that's a very interesting concept to the development. A major commercial development is set to reshape a key section of Kingston's business district as construction begins next month on W18, a modern 7-story mixed-use complex at 18 West Kings House Road. The project is being done on the site formerly associated with a popular truck stop, grill and bar. And this development is being developed by Delorvan Limited, and it's designed to combine retail, office, and lifestyle spaces. W18 is expected to become another significant addition to Kingston's expanding commercial real estate market. The development will feature 2 levels of retail space at the lower floors, creating opportunities for shops, restaurants, and service providers to benefit from the heavy traffic along West Kings House Road. Above the retail component, several floors of modern office space will provide approximately 8,040 square feet of flexible commercial space per floor, catering to businesses of various sizes. W18 is also being designed with a strong focus on convenience and modern workplace amenities. Plans include a rooftop terrace and event lounge that can be used by tenants for meetings, networking events, and private functions. Landscaped green areas are intended to create a more attractive and comfortable environment for occupants and visitors. Parking, a critical consideration in New Kingston and surrounding commercial areas, has been addressed through the provision of 132 parking spaces spread across 2 sub-level parking decks. Sustainability features such as rainwater harvesting systems and modern fire suppression infrastructure are also included in the design. Scheduled for completion in December 2027, W18 reflects the continued transformation of Kingston into a modern commercial hub. The project joins a growing list of office, residential, and mixed-use developments emerging across areas such as New Kingston, Halfway Tree, and the wider Golden Triangle, where demand for premium commercial space remains strong. Once completed, W18 is expected to attract corporate tenants, professional service firms, retailers, and investors seeking high-quality space in one of Kingston's most accessible business corridors. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.